FArkle125 here, and today we're going to test out the grip on the submachine guns. So we're going to start out with the vector with grip and then just go from there. So we will test close range and then move back at some distances and see kind of the effects it has on the recoil using the grip, and then switch and do it without grip and kind of compare the results. So this is with no resistance, just how the recoil works. Remember, unlike in Modern Warfare 3 and Black Ops 2, the recoil does not have a strict pattern. It will change at different times. So I've tested it a bunch, and I put in what I found is the most common pattern. What I found is it likes to jump and leave a middle gap, as you can see right now. I always found this happen to all the submachine guns, and I'm not really sure why. It just is always happening, and regardless if it's long range or short range, it always has the exact same effect. We will test the vector without grip and compare the results. So without grip, I found that the vector had a lot better recoil up close, and at long range it's higher, but a skinnier recoil. It makes the recoil a little better with grip at distance, but I found it made it a lot worse at close range. But either close or far, with grip, the recoil is very inconsistent. Do a couple more tests with the vector without grip, and then we'll switch back over to the vector with grip, and we'll run some more tests, and I can show you kind of what I was talking about with the differences in recoil between the two. So by watching this, I hope you can tell the many different recoils that every submachine gun has, because there's a lot of them, and it's a big difference from MW3, from changing from a strict recoil pattern you can kind of predict where it's going, to not really knowing what kind of recoil pattern you're going to happen when it fires. So just to show you guys what I was talking about, we'll do more grip tests real quick. And at a close range, you'll see that it's a lot more jumping than when we were using it without grip. And at a range, it is a lot shorter, but it will get a lot wider, and you'll see that it'll kick out to the sides a lot more than what happened when we did not have grip on. So you kind of really have to pick your poison when it comes to the vector. You can either have a way better up close and more consistent gun at average and at distant ranges, or bad up close and better at range but very inconsistent. Personally, I think the grip is a waste of time on the vector. There's so many other attachments out there that you can use, and the grip is just not one that's necessary on the vector. You can do just fine without it. But there'll be more videos coming soon with the other guns, so be sure to check those out. I'm Farkle, and I'm out. Peace.